Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have brought a new and amazing project, so don't skip the video from anywhere and you have watched the video completely till the end so that you can understand the whole project and generate maximum earning through it. So guys, if you are new to our channel and did not subscribe our channel, so first of all subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get the notification of every upcoming new video of ours. So listen carefully. What if I told you that the biggest financial market in the world is not crypto, not stocks, but Forex, with over $7 trillion traded every single day? And the crazy part is most beginners either don't understand it or they lose money because nobody explain it the right way. In this video, I'm going to break down Forex trading in the simplest way possible and show you how you can actually start using platform like Bitget CFD trading step by step. So let's get into it. Forex simply means foreign exchange, which is the process of trading one currency against another. For example, you have probably seen pairs like EUR, USDT, USD, BP, GBP, USD or USD GBY. Now here's the key idea. You are not buying something like Bitcoin or a stock. You are predicting whether one currently will go up or down and compared to another. If you think the euro will go up against the US dollar, you buy. If you think it will go down, you sell. That's it. That's the core concept. But here's the where things get interesting. In Forex, people don't wait the huge price jumps. Instead, they make money from very small movement in price. These movements are measured in something called pips. You don't need to go deep into a calculation right now. Just understand that even a tiny move in price can generate a profit, and this becomes even more powerful where when you use leverage. This is exactly where platforms like biggest Bitget come in. They allow you to trade using CFD, which means you can open bigger position with a smaller amount of money. You can go long if you think the price will go up, and you can go short if you think it will go down. But let me be clear, leverage is powerful, but it's also risky. The same way it can increase your profits, it can also increase your losses. Now let's quickly understand what CFD actually means. CFD stands for contract for difference. Instead, if instead of owning the actual currency, you are just trading the price movement. So you are not holding euros or dollars in your account. You are simply predicting the direction of the market. This makes trading faster, more flexible, and much easier to access the beginners. And on Bitget, you can do things alongside crypto trading all in one place. Now, timing is very important in Forex. So, guys, here you can see the market runs to 24 hours, but not all hours are equal. So, guys, there are three major session: Asian, London, and New York, where the most powerful time is when London and New York session overlap. That's when the market becomes very active, volatility increases, and big price moves happen. Also, always pay attention to news. In Forex, news can move the market instantly. Things like interest rates, inflation data, or major economic announcement can cause huge spikes. Now let's talk about how you can actually start trading. First, choose a platform like Bitget and create your account. Next, deposit your funds, then pick a currency pair, for example EU or USD. Now realize the market. So, guys, ask yourself, is the price more likely to go up or down? Once you have an idea, you open a trade. So, buy if you think the price will go up, sell if you think it will go down. So, guys, but this is very important. Once you have an idea, you open a trade. Buy if you think the price will go up, sell if you think it will go down. But this is very important. Always set a stop loss and take profit. This is called risk management, and it's what separate beginners from professionals. Without risk management, even a good strategy can fail. Let me be honest with you. Forex is not easy money. Most beginners lose because they use too much leverage. They trade emotionally and they don't follow any proper strategy. So, if you are serious about this, start small, focus on learning and never risk money you can't afford to lose. Forex is one of the biggest opportunity in the financial world. So, but only if you approach it the right way. If you understand the basics and use platform like Bitget properly, you are already ahead of most beginners. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, drop a comment saying Forex if you want more advanced strategies, and subscribe for more content on crypto and trading. I will see you in the next one. Take care. Thanks.